Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the world of culinary excellence. Today, we're exploring the best 5 Cook's Tool Gadget Sets in 2024. These sets are revolutionizing kitchens worldwide, enhancing efficiency, and elevating the art of cooking. Stay tuned as we reveal an exclusive gadget that has professional chefs raving about its innovative design and functionality. You won't want to miss this, as it could be the game changer in your culinary journey. So, let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Remember, the kitchen of the future is just a click away. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.